And we're back to learning Premiere Pro. Let me show you how you can use Premiere Pro to create thumbnails directly here in your video editor. Usually you want to do that, for example, for a vlog, maybe movie review kind of thing. So you have your video clip, pause it at a frame that's interesting, then add maybe the movie poster right here on a video channel that's above it, in this case V2. I'll select this file and then I go to Effect Controls and scale it down. If you can't see Effect Controls, just use Window. You can also reposition it here. You may want to add some text, so use the type tool right here, left click on this preview window, type in your text, maybe film review. And here it is now. Once again, I'm in Effect Controls. Under Window you can find it if you don't see it. And here you can change the appearance. Let's say you want to make it red, something like this. Size it up or change the font above. If you want to reposition this element, you can also just use this cursor tool down here and then left click, drag it around in the preview window. Maybe put it here, put it there, whatever. You can add more elements here. Just drag it on top and a new video channel will open up. Once you've got what you want, there's a simple tool right here. It's called Export Frame. So move it to the frame that you want. Something like this, where the eyes are open. Then left click on Export Frame. Set the format to JPEG. And it now has the same size as your video. And as you shoot your videos, usually having this typical size 16:9, you now have a thumbnail 16:9, that's perfect for YouTube. Let me open it here on my desktop. And you can see this is now an exported frame. It has the movie poster, the text, and the frame of the clip. And that's all there is. So once again, export frame, short key for that is Shift Control E, and then it should run. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.